House numbering schemes give each property a unique number on a unique street, and that locates it in space. Most places in the States use a grid type system, but there are like 1,600 different ways addresses can be addressed, so I'm only going to address grid type addresses. Now, I grew up in Utah, which has the bare bones what you see is what you get grid. You got a main street and you got a center street holding it down. If you go a block south from where they meet, you're on 100 south. If you go a block west from that, you're 100 west, 100 south. Here in Eugene, our grid gives numbered street names to streets that run east-west. The streets that run north-south are given the names of presidents and other random shit. In most cities, streets have an even side where addresses end in even numbers, and then on the other side, streets end in odd numbers. We have odd numbers on the north side of the street and the east side of the street. And even property numbers are on the south side of the street and the west side of the street. If it's helpful, you can make a little compass like this that will show you where the odds and evens are in your locality. I used to make some for new delivery drivers sometimes. Good cities like Eugene put block numbers on street signs like this. So I'm here on Broadway in Willamette, and you can tell that Willamette Street is Center Street because the Broadway sign has the block number of 00. So if you stay on Broadway and walk that way, you're on West Broadway. And if you walk that way, you're on East Broadway. And the property addresses on businesses, like this one, will tell you how far away you are from center. So Broadway is actually 9th, and this sign here tells you that this over here is the 9th block. And this one over here tells you that this is the 8th block over here. Bad cities like nearby Springfield don't have these.